Hi everyone, I'm Tanya Harris from My Forking Life, and today I'd like to introduce you to the Ninja Speedi Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer. This air fryer allows you to cook complete multi-textured meals all in one pot in as little as 15 minutes. Its 6-quart capacity can feed families up to 4 and has a total of 12 functions. Speedi meals, steam and crisp, steam and bake, steam, proof, air fry, bake roast, broil, dehydrate, sear saute, slow cook, and sous vide. The Ninja Speedi cooks foods that other air fryers can't thanks to its rapid cooking system that uses 2 cooking methods at once. It generates steam from the bottom while using convection heat from the top. This functionality is unlocked with a simple switch of the Smart Switch. The Smart Switch lets you effortlessly switch between rapid cooker mode and air fry stovetop mode. Choosing the right mode helps ensure the perfect cooking conditions for your specific dish or meal. Rapid cooker mode is best for whole roast, fresh and frozen proteins, root vegetables, and 3-part meals. Use this mode for foods that air fryers normally dry out. Air fryer mode is best for frozen prepared foods like chicken nuggets, frozen fries, and mozzarella sticks. To set up an air fryer recipe, you're going to use the crisper tray in the bottom position inside the pot. To use the crisper tray in the bottom position, fold in the legs and then place it in the bottom of the pot. Add your ingredients and follow the cooking instructions in the booklet. Be sure to reference the cooking charts and recipes for crisper tray positioning, as this may vary. Close the lid and flip the Smart Switch down. Use the center arrows to select a function. Only air fry stovetop functions will illuminate when the switch is in the downward position. When using air fry and bake and roast functions, be sure to add an additional 5 minutes to your total cook time to allow for preheat. Add ingredients after the first 5 minutes. Set the temp and time. Press Start/Stop to begin cooking. You can open the lid to pause the cooking cycle at any time. Cooking will automatically pause when the lid is open. When cooking is complete, you'll see that we have these deliciously cooked, crispy chicken nuggets. To set up a rapid cooker recipe, you want to add liquid to the bottom of the pot, following the guidelines that can be found in your Ninja Speedi cooking chart. Place the crisper tray in the elevated position in the pot. To place the crisper tray in the elevated position, you want to extend the bottom legs and then place them in the pot. Then place the protein on the crisper tray in the elevated position and close the lid. Flip the Smart Switch up. Use the center arrows to select a function. Only rapid cooker functions will illuminate when switch is in an upward position. Set the temp and time. Press Start/Stop to begin cooking. Progress bars indicate unit is building steam. When unit switches to convection cooking, timer will start counting down. Keep the lid closed to allow steam and convection to work together. Open the lid only if a recipe calls for it. If you're looking for more information on the Ninja Speedi, visit us at ninjakitchen.com. And if you want more recipes and inspiration, visit us at ninjatestkitchen.com.